Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to download the Blizzard app on your PC. And on Blizzard you can download, for example, Call of Duty, Black Ops, Cold War, Black Ops 3 and 4, and Modern Warfare, and further on. Yeah, the first thing you need to do is to type in Blizzard, download in the search bar on your browser, and press enter. Now you need to press on this one right here. Perfect. Now we need to scroll down here and press on this one, Battle.net desktop app. Press on that. Now you need to press on download for Windows. And now it's beginning to download on your PC, and now you just need to wait a few seconds. Perfect. Now we can press on this one. Just left click one time and press on yes when it asks you to make changes to your device, and wait till it's finished downloading. It's going to take about some minutes, I guess. The download is now finished, and yeah, I'm in the Blizzard app now on my PC. Now you can make an account. I already have one, as you can see. You need an account to buy the games you want. I recently bought the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. I think it's a really good game, and I think they made the game really good, and yeah, it's definitely worth money if you like shooting games. Yeah, you can also download Warzone, Modern Warfare 2, and Black Ops 4. To download it, you just need to press on install right here. And if you don't bought the game already, you need to buy now, right here, or right here. Depends on what game you need. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And yeah, see you in my next video. Peace.